it's me Asia and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a what's inside my bag video. But before that, I want you to know that the bag that I'm going to show you is the one that I'm really using at work. Let's start! Here's the bag that I'm using every day, and it's from my hubby, and it's a birthday present from my last month's birthday. It's a Forever 21 bag, and I really love the texture of it because it has a crisscross on it, and the zipper was gold, and it looks like fancy, right? This is the bag. So I'm not going through the particular items inside the bag. I just put my hands on it and grab whatever that I can grab. So let's start from the pocket in front of it. The first one that I'm going to show you is tissue, a baby powder, my cell phone, a ponytail, crunch. Thank you HBD girl for this mini wet wipes, ball pen, alcohol, and now we're going to the side pocket. Fan. This is a fan. And another ponytail, a clip, and my mini shock. I'm using this when I'm doing my makeup in the morning. And now it's empty, and we're going to the other side pocket now. I have here my beep card. And now we're going through the main pocket, which is this one. And let's see what I can grab inside. Miss Sunny's. Oh yeah. Let me show you the style of this sunny. So you're bam. Okay, then my PhilHealth card, facial wash. I'm using this facial wash for almost 2 years now, and I really like this because it smells so good and it keeps my face soft and free from makeup because it has for extra dull skin with extra large pores, regular use of makeup. And I really need this because I'm using makeup almost every day. And this is my SOP makeup kit, and it has the nail boutique keychain on it. I remember I purchased my Bene powder and Naturafter cream from this online shop. They're trusted and legit. I will link their Instagram down below later. What's inside of it is my eyeliner, and it's from Nichido. Lip gloss from Forever 21. Offbit lipstick, and the one that I'm using right now is Offbit. And false lashes glue. It's from Fashion 21. And Chic Tint from Fashion 21. Baby lips from Maybelline. And a mascara from Maybelline. And a contour stick. And this is what we call a direct Pucci lipstick because it's from direct Pucci. And look, I'm almost ran out of it already. It's called Retro Matte All Fired Up. eyeliner, a lip liner from NYX, and is 816 Fuchsia Pink. And that's it. And oh, I'm using this. Oh, I think I'm using this instantly ageless for my eye bag. And it's all done. Next is my face powder. My face powder is Maybelline New York. And this looks like. Next is my charger pouch. Okay, so this one had my iPod charger, my power bank, and my iPod case for the same. Because I requested sa mga girls na ito yung i-regalo nila sa akin for my birthday. Because it really useful, because I always using my iPad the whole time. And I need a charger for it. So it matches. And it's from Paper Planes Manila. I think they ordered it from the Paper Planes Manila. And next is charger of the power bank. And almost done. Next is ta-ta-ta. What will be the last? My brush. Next is my headset pouch. Yeah, my headphones are inside of this kitty bear pouch, and it really looks dirty now. And next is my vlogging camera. Okay, and it has this little cutie keychain from Aticord. It is I don't know what it is. Is it a squirrel or a rat? I don't know. But anyway, this is my vlogging camera, and I took pictures with this. Sometimes I'll vlog with this, but I usually am using my iPod to vlog because it's really handy. And the thing I love about this, because it's pink. Before, my favorite color is pink, and now I don't know why, what happened, and now my favorite color is black and white. But I still love this. See, it looks vintage camera, and it's not a touchscreen. That's the sad part of it. It's not a touchscreen, but it's okay. It has like high quality pictures, and it takes HD videos like that. Next, oh, I think we're almost done. No, oh, there's more one thing. My coin purse. And how much money do I have in here? I have 20 pesos, 20, 40, 100, 200, 240, 50 to 90, plus a 200. Ooh, got a lot of money, huh? And coins, some coins that I have, and I have this cinco with a hole. Yeah. See that? Okay, so we're done. You've seen everything inside my bag, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're still not subscribing. And see you soon. See you later. Good night, good morning, all over in the world. Bye. Is that a pimp? Oh, I got pimp. And right here also. Oh, excuse me. Crack nose.